Oh my gosh, I hear water. I don't know that that's 135 feet. It's definitely over 100 feet. Definitely. Good morning. So I woke up in the forest. Mr. Buddy was a lifesaver. So I am in the forest, the wilderness, and I am parked like hundreds of feet from the trail. So I'm just gonna walk down to the trail and I'll probably be back in about 2 hours. So let's go check some views out. But first, look at my backyard. You have to have a permit to build a fire. But that's it. There's no one around either. It's so quiet out here. There's no one out here. It's Bassi Falls is where we're going.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary, you just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy, you can do whatever.
I hear the water. I think it's like 135 feet. It's pretty tall. And I don't think I mentioned, so I'm in the same general area as last week's video. And when I looked to see where propane is in the area, it's almost 2 hours. I'm not driving 2 hours when I have cans of tuna. So we'll see if there's a sizzle this week. I may hook up that green propane bottle today. I don't know. We'll see. Oh my gosh, I hear water. A lot of times waterfalls look way cooler at the bottom. So let's see if this gets you to lower falls. We'll check it out.
To be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary, you just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy, you can do whatever you like.
Been hanging out at the baby fall, not knowing that right behind me, I was right there, I think is Bassi Falls. I don't know that that's 135 feet.
Like this game is so bittersweet. I feel alive, it's so hard to breathe. Will it be over if you got what you need? Sing now, ooh la 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 la. Sing na na, ooh la 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 la. You do you and I'll do me. Oh, you do me and I'll do you. Now, ooh la 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 la. I see that you see me, that you need me, not to waste your time. I see that you see through your own patient, let the stars align. The way you've been staring at me wakes me up like the sun. But I'm afraid I will waste your time. I don't wanna cut you off. I know this is such a rush. The way you move so free, put your body next to me. I don't wanna cut you off. This is such a rush. Sing na, ooh la 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 la. Sing na na, ooh la 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 la. You do you and I'll do me. Well, you do me and I'll do you. Now, ooh la 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 la. I don't wanna cut you off. I know this is such a rush.
There's more up above, but you can't see it from here. It's definitely over 100 feet. Definitely. Whew, it's hot. I'm gonna have a snack.
The way you move so free, put your body next to me. I don't wanna cut you off. This is such a rush. This is such a rush.
Ooh. So that was a 3.5-hour hike. I'm exhausted. Had I not pulled up this hike, I would have turned around at the little baby waterfall. There was the big one, and I didn't know it kept going. So once I looked at the all trails and I saw that I was only partway there, I got to do the whole thing. The drone, both batteries are slightly drained, and I didn't want to crash it into a rock, so I only get the baby waterfall, and hopefully that footage turns out. Okay, so I'm just gonna chill out here, and then I will check back in at dinner time. Well, it is toasty in here tonight. I am going to relax. I have the heater on, so I'm about to turn that off because it's pretty toasty in here. But yes, the propane did not happen. The cabinet was not made to where I could use the green bottles. And I do not have a permit, and I was not going to carry the oven outside and get fined or catch a fire. So I didn't have anything exciting for dinner, and I wanted something hot so bad. But yeah, I will be getting propane, so next time there will be sizzle. I apologize for the last couple of weeks. But yeah, I enjoyed today. It was a very long hike, and I just staying at the same place that I woke up at, and it's just very chill today. I would like to thank you so much for watching, and please check back next week for more of my adventures.